Accommodations are shared bunk beds, and there's my little home away from home on the lower bunk there. First stop is some breakfast.
Have a good one.
After breakfast, time for a shower, and you don't need to see this. Now we're heading ashore aboard one of the Zodiacs for a day of activities at Polotuk. Polotuk is a little community of around 300 people in the far northern reaches of the Northwest Territories.
There's not a vibrant economy. There's very little in terms of economic opportunities. We're too small and too young, but we're enough that what we have around sustains us as a community.
Okay, these bigger ones. I'm gonna get this one. Okay. Okay.
This is the supermarket in Polotuk. A loaf of white Wonder Bread is $6.30. That's it for Polotuk for the day. We're heading back to the vessel now. Another long Zodiac ride.
This is the lab part of the ship. This is where we process the samples collected during the scientific program of C3. These are various grasses that I collected in and around Polotuk. So now I squash them, I make them two-dimensional. So what I do is I use a plant press, I layer them between cardboards, and I use pressure through these straps to essentially turn them into a giant sandwich.
Oh, it smells good. Oh, look at this yummy stuff. And that's one day of my 8 days on this leg of Canada C3. The expedition itself concludes in Victoria on October the 28th.